We use our hands to do pretty much everything. We use them to prepare our food and to drive our cars. However, there are some specific hand exercises from ancient India, which will make you learn how to use hand yoga to treat health problems and lose weight. Sit on the floor with your back straight. Try to be as comfortable as you can while sitting. You can also perform Surya Mudra sitting on a chair. Put both of your hands on your knees with the palm facing upwards. Now place your thumb on the ring finger of your each hand. Your other fingers must be straight, only ring finger and thumb should be bent. Exert the pressure on your ring finger. The more pressure you exert, the more fiery energy you will release in your body. If you want to lose the abdominal fat, then you must practice it for at least 30 minutes daily. Surya Mudra increases the fire element, and at the same time decrease earth element within the body. Indigestion is the major cause for obesity, overweight and excess body fat. Since the fire element helps in improving the digestive power, it is therefore believed that Surya Mudra could help treat obesity problem naturally. It is also known to reduce cholesterol, helpful in relieving common cold, shivering, vision problems, constipation, and other digestion problems. Its core function is to increase vitality by increasing your metabolism, effectively assisting with weight loss. Surya Mudra will help burn off heavy meal, bringing you back to your more energized self. Place 4 fingers horizontally above the navel and massage this area for 2 to 3 minutes, clockwise and counterclockwise. This point helps reduce gas formation and relieve stomach cramps. If you want to eliminate water retention and relieve stomach pain, then place 2 fingers horizontally above the navel and massage this area for 2 to 3 minutes, clockwise and counterclockwise. After this, place 4 fingers below the navel. The point is located just under the little finger. Massage the point for 2 to 3 minutes, clockwise and counterclockwise. Massaging this area will increase intestinal activity and remove heaviness within the stomach. Besides this, drinking ginger tea also helps to alleviate bloated stomach. Take a glass of water and add few pieces of chopped ginger roots to it. On a low-medium flame, boil the water for few minutes. Turn off the flame after 5 to 10 minutes, let it cool down, strain the tea and serve. Another option is to eat 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger before meals. You can also grate ginger root and sprinkle it in your food. Ginger possesses carminative properties that can help to expel gas and relieve cramps and indigestion. This shows the efficiency of ginger in treating stomach bloating along with its symptoms. This will reduce swelling of stomach and make it look flat. Before trying any of these home remedies, you should consult your health expert. Besides this, some of the tips that will help you reduce bloating are eating slowly and chewing your food thoroughly, eating smaller meals more frequently, walking after a meal. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.